Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Trello with Notion. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go and open Trello.com or go to Trello.com. Make sure to go to also Notion.com and make sure you're logged in into both accounts. If you don't have an account, make sure to go and create an account. As an example, you can use a lot of accounts like Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Notion. If you don't have to, you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. So for Trello, I'm already logged in. You can do the same example if you're not. So as an example, once we're logged in, now how can we integrate Trello with Notion? So to do so, all we need to do is simply go to Trello, go to any board that you want to connect, as an example specifically. And if you go here to power ups at the top, if you don't find it right here, of course, you can simply go to the three dots at the top right corner, go to power ups, and you'll find yourself here. So all you need to do here is just go and type Notion and see all results. And as you can see, you'll find a lot of apps that you can add as an example that will make you integrate or that will let you integrate Notion with Trello. So of course you can choose the one that suits your needs, but as it seems even like this is the only one, Notion plus Trello, so other stuff is not. Even if I type Notion, I find here a lot of stuff. So seems the only one. As you can see, it will be able or you'll be able to sync some cards from Trello boards with Notion pages to gain real-time insights on projects performance, as you can see. So to do so, all you need to do just click on add and click on add again. And as you can see, it will be added right away. If we go to enable, as you can see, you'll find this added here. And now you'll be able to always access from here power-ups. And you'll find as an example here, the Unity Sync. Make sure it's enabled and you can authorize it as an example and just go and allow it. So just wait, yeah, click on allow and you should be normally good to go. Of course, you can even check this option if you want to like be informed about the updates and stuff. It's up to you if you want to authorize that or not. So as you can see here, you'll have to wait a bit until you redirect it to that. And yeah, once you do so, you should be normally good to go with your Notion connected or integrated to your Trello without any problem. So for me, I'm not going to wait for it until it's finished. But for you, make sure to wait and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.